Hey everyone, Pierre here from OpenNoodle. I'm super excited to announce two new features we shipped today, Global Search and Smarter Memories. Let's get right into it. First up, Global Search. Until now, searching in Gallery was tied to whatever page you were on. Now there's one place to search everything. Photos, people, places, tags, albums, your spaces, everything from a single shortcut anywhere in the app. Let me show you. So let's open up the new search bar. We can do that by either clicking on the top left corner on the search bar here, or with the Control K or Command K shortcut. Let's say that I want to search within my photos page for every photo related to nature. I can type nature, and if I press enter, it's going to show me all of the photos related to nature. But if I want to see just a quick short list, I've already got a bunch of photos to my disposal, and if I click enter, I open up that photo or video in this case. Next up, let's search for mountains. As you can see, the search updates and we've got all of our trusty filters that we can easily find the photos that we were looking for. Let's say I want to see what my recent searches were. Very easy. If you open up the search bar again, here you can toggle through all of your recent searches and just redo the search again. Now, let's say I want to search for a person. We can see here on the left, we've got 4 people in our library. If I want to search for a specific person, I can use the @ keyword and then see all of the people in my library. If I click enter, I can see photos of that person. Now, if I want to go back to the photos page, I just type photos and go back. So as you can see, navigation has gotten much easier. And if you just want to navigate between albums and spaces, you can use the new / prefix. This will show you all of your albums and spaces, and if you continue typing, you can filter down. So let's go into the travel space. The coolest new thing about this search bar is it's context aware. It understands the page that you're on. So for example, if I search for beach here, it is searching within this space and showing me photos of beaches. How cool is that? So I recently visited Nuremberg and I quickly want to see all of the photos that I took in Nuremberg. So let's go to Nuremberg. It opens up the map page and here you go. You can see the photo that I've uploaded for Nuremberg. Next up is the tags feature. So if you type hashtag, you can see a list of all of your tags. So let's go and see all of the photos that were tagged with Europe. Super quick. And finally, for mostly navigation, there is a new commands shortcut. So this is basically every single settings page, every command that you can execute. It's also page aware. So if I go to an album, let's use the / command, let's go into this album and I type commands, you can see that I can download this album, I can delete it, I can create a shared space, I can rename it. Everything is context aware. In addition, there's things like switching the theme. Basically, every single command that you can think of is within here. Also, if you're an admin user, you're able to see all of your admin commands from one search panel. And that's it for global search. Let's move on to the next feature. Smarter memories. We've added 2 new memory types, recent trips and birthdays. So let's see it in action. I recently traveled to South Africa and Noodle Gallery has identified that I traveled out of my hometown and it is giving me a curated list of 10 photos showing me some of the top memories and reminding me of how fun that holiday was. It will also give me a reminder if a person that I've tagged a birthday on has their birthday. It will give a curated list of photos over the years, or if you only have recently added photos of that person, it will only show recent photos. And that's it for today's feature release. If you'd like to try out Noodle Gallery, follow the link below. It takes 2 minutes to set up. If you'd like to switch from image, it's the same process, very quick 2-minute setup. If you're not happy with Noodle Gallery for any reason, you can run a single script and it will migrate you back to image. Thanks for watching, fellow noodlers, and I'll see you in the next feature release.